What does it say? And then from who?
Santa?
And what does it say there?
Little. Open.
So Santa
here?
put it in your room instead?
I don't know. What's wrong with that man? He's probably drunk.
Hey, how do you open this?
It says open
Right
here.
there, look. You can, that's what I say right there.
Open
Read
here.
instructions.
Oh.
Oh, hold on, Kylo
Oh,
magazine.
you got magazines?
Oh, that's so awesome.
Mommy!
Wait.
Oh, look, Jenny got two.
What kind of magazines is that?
It'll tell you no food.
Race cars.
Oh.
But then behind it, what is it?
Oh my god! No way! No! You got me!
What is it?
The PlayStation 4?
Oh, I guess Santa did see all your hard work. Give your dad a hug, because Daddy made sure that Santa Claus brought it for you.
His reaction was priceless.
Yeah.